Hey guys, Beardicus here, the One Take Wonder. In this video, I'm going to be looking at unboxing the MSI RX 5700 XT Gaming X model of GPU. So with that said, let's get on with the unboxing. Did I get that right? AMD RX 5700 XT Gaming X. Oh, look at that, I nailed it. Oh, can't believe that. Oh, all right, unboxing video, yeah. So on this channel here, it is very simple. I don't do a lot of fluff or anything like that. It's just purely unboxing and one take. So yeah, you don't get any special effects or anything like that. Just me talking to you about unboxing something. So you've got a little envelope here, MSI envelope, and you've got the information here. Oh, cool. How to upgrade your PC with a new graphics card. That's pretty cool. It's a little comic book. Look at that. See what you did there, guys. Cool. Awesome. All right. What else have we got? We've got a little promo thing there for the MSI gaming range. And also a quick user's guide. Cool. I'll throw that back in the envelope because I don't want to lose that. This was kindly sent out by MSI for a build that I'll be doing a little bit later down on the track. So huge thanks to MSI for that. Wow, that's heavy. Hang on. Here we go. We've got a thank you card as well on the bottom there. I think that's basically it. Let me throw this back in. Just because a tidy set is a organized set. Cool. All right, so this is chunky. Let's have a look. Oh, wow. Okay, so you're gonna need a fair amount of space in your case. Space in your case, do you like that? Yeah, you're gonna need a fair amount of space in your case to fit this in. Just the height factor alone there. I don't know if you can see that. And my light's being a bit funny. Okay, yeah, that's really thick. It looks like here, if I flip it around, it isn't light either, it's heavy. So I'm guessing here will light up. I'll have to throw that in the case and check that out. It's got your two 8-pin power there, which is pretty standard amongst the higher end graphics cards at least. Some of them are 8 and 6-pin, some of them are 8 and 4. But yeah, this one is 8 and 8. So just be aware of that if you're looking at power supplies. What else have we got here? So we've got the fans. The fans, every second one by the look of it, has a little ridge on there. It's probably to help with pulling air out, airflow. Obviously remove your sticker before you throw it in your case. And port-wise, we've got 2 display ports there, HDMI, and then a third display port. I'd say this will be definitely capable of, 1440p, probably 4K gaming as well, depending on what CPU you bundle it with. So, without damaging the card, I'm gonna, yep, okay, sweet. It's not even touching the pin, sweet. So that's the MSI, let's see if I can remember it, RX 5700 XT Gaming X model GPU. I really hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I'm going to be throwing this in a rig on the TechWizTime channel. It will be with some other MSI gear, which is going to be really, really cool. I think they're sending out a X570 board, which will pair really nicely with the 5700 XT. So yeah, cool. All right, hope you like that, guys. And subscribe to this channel, subscribe to TechWizTime channel, and yeah, throw me a comment down below if you've got one of these yourself, and yeah, tell me if you like it. Thanks, guys.